I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your latest weather on demand. We haven't seen too many of these wintry or snowy scenes recently. Bigger story for us, though, is going to be that continued cold, but finally we'll usher in some lake effect snow showers, and that is associated, so we are indirectly affected by that storm system, by the major winter storm affecting the lower lakes and also the northeast, and they expect a foot to a foot and a half of snow. For us, though, we're talking about finally a much needed midweek warm-up. Closer shot, though, of the snow first we have to get through, and a lot of cities, states, and how about millions of people are going to be dealing with snow as winter is not ready to let go just yet. Center of circulation is still way back here in Missouri, so there's a lot more snow going through the Ohio Valley, snowing pretty much the entire length of Illinois, Indiana, and downstate lower Michigan. The UP finds itself on the outskirts looking in once again, but we are going to deal with some lake effect or lake enhancement from the system. Notice the winds have already turned north-northeast, and that's good for Marquette to see some snowflakes, and will accumulate to a couple of inches by the time this is all said and done throughout the next 24 to 36 hours. But all in all, we've certainly been dodging those flakes this entire winter for the north-central UP and really the central UP as well, including all the south. The only places where they saw above average snow totals were the Keweenaw Peninsula in the northeast due to the lake enhancement. So far for us, though, at the Weather Service, we've seen 130.6 inches, and that is down by more than 3 feet. Average is 168.1 and counting. And we will get a couple to kind of keep ourselves in the running for about 3 feet. But then all in all, we're just kind of treading water there, and there's no big storms on the horizon, and so we're set for the third straight winter with below average snowfall. And really 7 out of the last 8 winters were also below average. So yes, this is a trend for the last decade. Go back 2009 and 2010 to find the last readings above average snowfall, where we had over 200 that year. Sawyer has a reading of 10 degrees right now, Minneapolis 16, but as the storm pulls away, it is spilling more Arctic air in from the west. So -5 in Bismarck. We're below zero near the line as well. For us, talking about the outer fringes of snow, notice how farther south you go, that's where we'll see the snow showers rather. For the rest of us, though, lake effect, especially for the north central, which includes Marquette and Baraga counties. Elsewhere, the storm shifts off to the east, and the high pressure, as it gets closer, it will do two things. It will bring drier air in, which will help to limit the amount of lake effect snow that we do end up getting. And the other portion is it will keep our winds off Lake Superior. Here's a look at the rundown of the snow and the fall that we could see. This is 1 to 3 inches through the day on Tuesday, but where bands persist, just like this one right here, the dark blue indicates as much as 5 inches, even isolated 6-inch amounts, not out of the question the time we get to Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday will be very similar in the temperature department. Low 20s across the interior UP, 22 from Iron Mountain, 21 from Ironwood. And Tuesday we'll do pretty much the same thing, 18 from Munising, 19 from Marquette, as the winds blow out of the north between 8 to 20 miles per hour. Your TV 6-day forecast now does feature a change by the middle of the week. Snow showers and flurries will end midday on Wednesday. We break into the middle and upper 20s. Thursday, different story. How about mid-30s? Friday, St. Patrick's Day, rain snow mix lately in the afternoon to evening. That holds through on Saturday with some of that changing back over to snow. And by next weekend, we're back to where we should be.